Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another quick get ready with me for work. I love doing these videos. I love showing you the makeup that I wear from day to day while I'm going to work. So today I'm really excited about this particular video because I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I've been seeing this palette all over Instagram, all over YouTube, all over Snapchat, everywhere there's this palette, and every time someone swatches it, I literally foam at the mouth. I have not ordered from BH Cosmetics. I'm not lying. I'm not exaggerating. In about 3 years now. So it was nice for me to place an order after so long. I love this palette. I love this palette. This palette, I bought it about last week. And it was, I want to say $24, $23. You know, BH Cosmetics is a really inexpensive brand. And I don't, if you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, you know I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes. But I could not pass this baby up. And I love it. These shimmers are pigmented, gorgeous, phenomenal. Everyone has swatches all over YouTube. So you can YouTube any video and there will be swatches. Because I won't be able to do them today because I have to go out to work. I'm going to try to film one more video while I'm still sitting here with my lights up. So I won't be swatching it, but you'll see how I apply them on the eyes. In the video, you're gonna see me wet the shade Libra. Is it Libra or Leo I use Libra. The shimmer, you're gonna see me wet it. It didn't amplify it as much as I thought it was. So you can use these shadows. They apply really nicely wet and dry. These mattes are really nice, beautiful, pigmented mattes. They're just a little powdery in the pan. But that's about it. But they go on beautiful. As you can see, you're gonna see in the video, I couldn't really blend out the shade I used on this eye for my crease, that first purple I used, but I think that was my fault. I just didn't blend it out enough, so please don't mind that. I didn't use the highlighter, but I will swatch it for you. I don't know how it would look on me. It's a really nice, this would be way too light for my skin tone, but look at that highlighter. It's really pretty. Way too light for me though. It's like a icy champagne gold, but it has like a slight green undertone to it. To me it looks like. But that'll be a little too light for me. But other than that, I really do love this palette. And you guys better get this. I think it's limited edition. You guys better get this. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the video. Before you continue, before you do anything, make sure you guys hit that little subscribe button and that bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload, which is on Wednesdays and Sundays. I love you guys to absolute pieces. Please enjoy the look because I know I do. And I will see you all in the next one. Mwah.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings. But I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings. But I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 Let's slow down. I wanna live right now. I'm not worried, thinking about tomorrow. I'm feeling everything I need from you. It's all I believe in. I know you feel it too. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. I'll be holding you. fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting.